We help our clients to make great event ideas work. Harnessing the services of experienced event managers can take away a lot of the legwork and risk when it comes to bringing a great event concept to life. Finding and booking a suitable venue, scheduling for maximum impact, doing risk assessments, acquiring permits from authorities, booking performers, developing branded merchandise, writing and producing promotional videos, booking resources like AV equipment and staging, and arranging logistics. Not to mention promoting the event in advance to ensure you get the audience you're looking for, and managing post-event publicity to optimize your return on your event investment. RDW are world-class at making things happen.